Suzhou Pharma Machinery has practical experience in the cleanroom field. Having successfully completed over 500 cleanroom projects of various scales and in different industries. Accumulating profound professional knowledge and valuable experience. Based on these practices, we can not only accurately grasp the requirements of ISO and GMP standards, but also provide key suggestions during project implementations, ensuring that the project is safer, more reliable. This experience enables us to better understand how to implement standards and prioritize quality, thereby providing customers with truly reliable overall solutions. The customers have given us high praise for our services. The progress of this African cleanroom project has been very smooth. The client expressed their desire to continue working with us.